One of the hottest topics in the world right now. I'm pretty sure everyone's heard about it, have felt its presence. Originating in Wuhan, China, novel coronavirus or COVID-19 has made its way across the world, including India. Let's look at COVID tracking in India, a grassroots analysis to look at what the numbers say. Beginning with the introduction, a nutshell about India. Culturally diverse country, which makes up 17.5% of the world's population. It's high on the list of emerging economies of the world. A majority of the population in India resides in rural areas. It's one of the largest and the fastest growing markets for digital technologies and transformation. Keep in mind, each of the points spoken about in the introduction has a deeper connection to how COVID is tracking in India. Looking at the population metrics, Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of population in India. If we delve a bit deeper into the key population metrics, we start noticing a few patterns. Uttar Pradesh, again, has the highest amount of rural population in India, whereas Maharashtra has the highest amount of urban population in India. This is important to understand how COVID is tracking in India. Looking at how many samples have been collected across India, the earliest to get on board with regards to tracking samples was Kerala, whereas the highest number of samples taken were from Maharashtra. Looking further into how the pattern is going for COVID cases in India, the number of cases have had a steep rise in Maharashtra in April. Now, keep this in perspective to the rest of India. The number of cases in Maharashtra accounts for about a quarter. Now, looking a bit deeper into the data, we start looking at emerging trends. Looking at how Kerala's tackled it, they were one of the first states to start testing for COVID. Keep in mind, they had the experience of dealing with Ebola, SARS, and other similar widespread pandemics. Whereas Maharashtra, on the other hand, the cases have been rising ever since COVID's foray into India. What does the future hold? Based on how the trends are looking at this stage, the spread of COVID and the number of cases is still on an upward trend. The period ahead is very critical in mitigating risk and controlling the spread. Economic downturn due to extended lockdowns in India is a stark reality. However, India is heading towards a change in work culture powered by forced digital transformation. Effective use of media and communication is important in educating people and flattening the curve in